parking. Ooh, yes. Hello guys, welcome back to the Rory Revs channel. I should make sure it's actually recording this time. I just done a whole bit and then it did nothing. We are back in the CRX.
The new Honda Civic CRX.
And we are heading to Snetterton to watch our friend Sam race his MX5 cup car, race car around Snetterton racetrack. I'm not actually racing today. I would like to have been, but you know, he's kindly let me put the GoPro, the old GoPro smashed, in the holder he's got. And yeah, so it's a bit wet out. That's why I've just gone and brought an umbrella. Oi, McGregor. Oi, oi. And it's a pretty good one, to be fair. 20 quid. Cos he lives, mate. Cos he lives. Anyway, let's head to Snetterton because I'm running a bit late. So anyway, thanks for watching the video and make sure you subscribe if you like my stuff. Let's head to Snetterton. Wow, I just had to quickly get out of the car. Jeez, there is a bee in the car. Yo, bro, how you doing? Oh, he looks like he's dying, bless him. That literally scared the life out of me. I literally was driving along and I was like, I was reckon him buzzing in the back. I looked back, I was like, and he was there like, yeah, bro, what's going on? I was like, bruv, you're gonna have to go. And I just pulled outside someone's house, pulled the handbrake up like. Yeah, we're trying to go to Snetterton, yeah, so, right, get out. There he is. All side, I ain't got anything to give you. Jesus, that scared the shame. I'm scared of anything like that. Been bitten twice by wasps, never by a bee. Don't know if I'm allergic, probably end up dying. Anyway, let's carry on. We're now rolling up at Snetterton. That was a nice little 50-minute drive or so. It's just gone, well, lunchtime's just finished for everyone that's gone on track, so Snetterton, yes. I'm a bit gutted that we're not taking CRX on track, to be honest, but it's quite cool to watch as well, and plus it's free. And you guys get to see some content. Yeah. Oh. Man, I want to go on track. Ah! Bit gutted, I must admit, but it's cool. It's fine. It's gonna be fun, regardless. Be interested to see what cars are out today. Where I'm going to stand and film is like the corner before the long straight for the finish line. Because normally people have to slow down through there, brake quite hard, and accelerate up. So normally a lot of time you get a bit of slidage. I would normally film the straight as well, but I'm only going to be here for like 2 hours, so. Oh yay! Oh my god, he's proper strapped in, isn't he? Okay, I'm going to keep out of the way. Cool. Right, we're here. Let's go now. Watch some crazy cars.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. No cap, I'm real. The plastic bars when I copy my steel.
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Get us every day. Got my heart no. In the bed. Break you in then.
just had a bit of a knock. Let's have a quick look, shall we? Poor thing. Yeah. Check that out. Fiat 500. Oh, I love it. That's so cool. Oh, it's right-hand drive. Look at that. So diddy. You could probably get 2 of them on the trailer if you, well, be a bit of a squeeze, but I reckon if you nudge one at the front and then nudge one at the back, I reckon it'd be alright. Wicked. I didn't realise that this was on today. Scon. They're doing the auto test, auto solo, whatever. Oh, I should have done it. My bad. Just grabbed myself a leaflet from Scon. I'd love a Scon right now. It's Scone actually, it's not Scon. Look at that. Pre-facelift, K11. Oh man, that's awesome. Yeah, I want to get involved with these guys. I should have done it today really. It was silly of me to have missed out on that, but there you go. Yeah, it's F2. Need to get that spoiler and stuff for Courtney's little FN Civic. Love it. about to go out again. It's a bit drier now. God, look. That'll explain the red flag then. Poor guy. Yeah. concludes our video for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Rory Revs channel. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you enjoyed the footage that we got in Sam's car, our Boggle Boost. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon.